Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay Machinery. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad to share you one production line of the Strut Channel today. On this production line, we use the material of the galvanized steel or the stainless steel with the thickness of 2.5 mm. The Strut Channel is usually used to connect, brace, support the lightweight structural loads in the building constructions. And let's see more details. This is the beginning of the production line. As you can see, it's a very efficient machine, combines the decoiler and the leveling machine. This is a hydraulic decoiler. And on the hydraulic decoiler, we use the outward coil retainer to prevent the steel coil from slipping out. There are many designs on our machine for the safety. Press arms placed on the steel coil to prevent it from springing open is for the safety of the workers. And then the coil expansion adjusts the inner expansion ranging from 460 mm to 520 mm, suitable for the steel coils of different inner diameters. And then this is the leveling machine. For the material with a thickness over 2 mm, it's very necessary to use the leveling machine to bend the steel coil back, making the steel coil surface flat and relieving the internal stress. It has 4 upper rollers and 5 lower rollers to leveling the steel coil. And then the steel coil will go into the punch machine. This is a punching machine with the punching force of 110 tons. Regularly, we use the 8-ton punching force punch machine to punch, but on this profile, we need to punch on the height side and the width sides. So we use the 110 tons. This is the sulfur feeder of the punch machine, and it has a sulfur motor inside. The sulfur motor almost has no time delay, so it can control the movement very precisely. And also we can guarantee the accurate punch positions. And then let's see more details. This is the limiter device. It is designed to coordinate the production line between the punch machine and the roll forming machine. When the steel coil touches the lower sensor, it means the punching speed higher than the roll forming speed. The punching machine will receive a signal from the PLC control cabinet to stop working. The punching machine will be restarted after the operator clicks on the screen. Conversely, when the steel coil touches the upper sensor, it means the roll forming speed is higher than the punching speed. The roll forming machine will stop until the worker clicks on the screen to restart the roll forming machine. And then let's see the roll forming part. This is the guiding part of the roll forming machine. The 6 guiding rollers keep the steel coil and the machines on the same center line to guarantee the straightness of the structure channel. And then this is the roll forming machine. This is the cast iron structure, which is made of the whole piece solid steel. This structure can provide long service life and has high strength. These roll forming rollers are driven by the gearbox system to force the steel coil round and through the rollers. During the forming process, the steel coil undergoes the gradual forming and it achieves the shapes specified in the drawings. This roll forming machine is equipped with the encoder from the Japanese brand Coil. The encoder can transform the steel coil length into electrical signal and pass the signal to the PLC control cabinet. On the PLC screen, we can set the production speed, quantity per cycle, and the cutting length. With the precise feedback and the measurement from the encoder, the machine can control the cutting accuracy within 1 mm. Considering the higher the strength of the stainless steel, we use the saw-type cutting machine, and to improve the production line speed, this cutting base can move forward and backward at the same speed as the roll forming machine, so the roll forming machine doesn't need to stop when cutting. And we use the servo motor to drive the cutting base move. The servo motor almost have no time delay, so it can control the movement accuracy within 1 mm. and we can guarantee the cutting accuracy within 1 millimeter too. We provide the warranty of 24 months for the whole production line and 5 years for the rollers, shafts, and the motors. If you are interested in this production line, please feel free to contact us. We will plan the production for you to ensure a timely start to your project. This is Joey. See you next time.